Why do I hate Charles? Well, for one, his books are utter garbage.
I think he's the cruelest, most revolting man I've ever known.
Why do I hate Charles? He's a bitter old narcissist whose mummy probably didn't give him enough love.
Why do I hate Charles? Have you met Charles?
I guess he's what the Americans call, douchebag. Ghastly little man.
You'd like to know what I think about Charles? Well, one thing, he's an arrogant bastard.
For one thing, he refuses to divorce me.
He loses his temper far too often.
Charles actually hates children.
And he hates children. Who doesn't like children?
He hates children. Wait, he's a children's writer.
Hello. Yes, it is me, Charles Norbury, the famous writer. I hear everyone has been talking about me. Well, they must have been talking about my famous books, Fuzzy Tail and Small Body. All children love them, especially this little one.